The next presenter is the last presenter of today's delegate presentation, and that's Dr. Liudmyla Chyhur, Associate Professor of Department of Automation and Computer Integrated Technologies. She is from Ivano-Frankivsk National University of Oil and Gas of Ukraine. Her presentation is on solar energy accessibility for local mountain communities. Liudmyla, Dr. Liudmyla, are you there? I can't see Dr. Liudmyla. Can anyone see her?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
bad internet connection. Do you see?
Thanks.
You see my presentation?
Yes, we can see it clearly.
Good afternoon, dear participants of the summer school. Thank you very much to organizer for the opportunity to take part in this very important event. I would like to tell you about solar energy accessibility for local mountain communities. But first, a few words about our organization. Mama 86 Yarenchi was established in 2000 to help in transition to sustainable development in Ukraine with emphasis on women's participatory role. Since that time, we have collected significant experience on various environmental issues, including sustainable consumption. During our activity, we have established relations with different sectors of social society. We are lobbying environmental policy at local, regional, and national level. We have got practical results of our efforts. We cooperate with local authorities, experts, and state bodies. Our activities are also aimed at involving the private sector and strengthen its role and position in the decision-making process. Mama 86 network project always help to solve important social ecological problems at local, regional, and national level. One of the main of our thematic direction of activity is promoting of eco technologies practices in daily life. The development of renewable energy is of great importance in view of the future of mankind, as combustible minerals, which are the basis of energy production in the early 21st century, have limited service, which will sooner or later be depleted. Ideal for human survival would be sustainable development, a concept in which production and consumption in society would be balanced so as not to depend on resources available only temporarily. Renewable energy sources include periodic on-constant energy fluxes that propagate in nature and limited only by stability of the Earth as a cosmoplanetary element. Solar radiation, wind, hydropower, natural heat, and so on. Solar energy can be converted into electricity in two main ways: thermodynamic and photoelectric. In the thermodynamic method, electrical energy through the use of solar energy can be obtained by using thermal installation in which the heat from pure combustion is displaced by a stream of concentrated solar radiation. Solar photovoltaics is a direct integration of solar radiation into electricity. The principle of the operation of the photoelectric converters is based on the use of the internal photoelectric effect in semiconductors and the effect of fusion of photo-generated charge carriers. Electrons is called by an electron-hole junction or a potential metal dielectric semiconductor barrier. The average annual amount of the total energy of solar radiation which enters the territory of Ukraine annually is in the range from 1.070 kilowatt-hour per meter squared in the north part of Ukraine, up to 1.400 kilowatt-hour per meter squared in its southern part. Photovoltaic equipment can be operated quite efficiently throughout the year. However, as efficiently as possible for 7 months a year from April to October. The experience of Europe and North America show that solar energy can be used on an industrial scale even at night. In Spain and the United States, there are companies that generate electricity in the dark from the heat accumulated during the day. With the help of solar energy, it is possible to partially provide electricity to residents of the private sector, in parallel with the operation of the electricity grid. For this purpose, photovoltaic elements which are located on a roof of the house are used. The main advantage of solar panels is obvious. After their installation and connection, you generate your own electricity, reduce dependence on the electricity supplier, and reduce energy costs. A significant disadvantage is the high cost of private solar power plants. Not every Ukrainian can afford to spend such money at once. One of the examples of technologies promoted by Mama 86 Ranchi is the use of the solar energy. Two technical pilot projects were implemented by our organization in cooperation with the Department of Physical Chemistry and Combustible Minerals of the Institute of Physical and Organic Chemistry and Cold Chemistry of Liudmyla of the National Academy of Sciences in Ukraine. Solar thermal air collectors developed by the above-mentioned institution and manufactured by private entrepreneur were installed into school of Ivano-Frankivsk. The main advantage of such collectors over foreign ones is affordability for the general population. The disadvantage is that the collectors work only in the sunny period of the day. Therefore, it is necessary to choose correct premises for installation of these collectors, giving preference to the southern part.
Liudmyla, I'm sorry, time is
Yes.
Thank
Solar collector refers to heating and ventilation equipment that works exclusively on solar energy. It works on the principle of the simultaneous ventilation and heating. This technology is also used for the manufacturers of dryers and drivers. The things is necessary for every mountain family. All households collect mushroom berries and herbs. Mama 86 Ranchi organize and conduct training on the manufacture installation and use of solar thermal air collectors. and set them in experience and theoretical school all the reality lab in Ivano-Frankivsk. Besides, we try to involve youth to different ecological events such as European Sustainable Energy Use. This year, this event will take place on 25 and 29 October. Please join. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you success in your work.
Thanks a lot, Liudmyla. We also wish you the best of luck for your future endeavors.